Hi, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Victoria. If you haven't been here before, welcome. If you have, welcome back. I don't know what I'm on. I've literally been out in the sun all day. My back's all burned. You can like clearly see the difference. I don't have like it's funny though, cause okay, never mind. Also, the cough is back, but going away. If you watched my last video, I went to a concert. Very happy about that. Here's the fit, if anybody was wondering. The tank top is Zara, the shorts are Oakenford, and the socks are Reeboks because all my Nike ones are in the laundry. I got burned though. You can sort of see the difference in my legs, like here to here, here to here, here to here. Anyways, today we're gonna be cooking because I don't know why, but we're gonna be cooking. At least before my family comes home, because I'm really hoping they don't crash this for me, because I'll be so weirded out. So let's get into the cooking. Hamburger. I already have buns. I'm basic. I'm just going to put cheese on it, and then I'm going to put some mustard on it. Because they're already made, so I'm not really doing anything except for actually cooking it. I really hope I survive. Anyways, I really wish there was like a, this isn't terrible. As long as you can see me, we're good. Yeah. I need this pan, so I'm just gonna. Touch it? Nope. Nope. I'm eating this food, by the way, so nobody can get mad at me over the fact that I'm coughing because I'm eating it anyways, but I'll still wash my hands for the germophobic people out there. Is that actually the full word, or is it just germaphobe? Also, no, I shouldn't keep that one to myself. What should I should probably add something to the pan, right? Like butter. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never cooked a burger before. Like ever. And we do them on the barbecue and I don't even know how to do that. So doing it in a pan is a little bit weird for me. You know what? I'm just gonna go with it, and if it doesn't work, sorry, no one. So. Yeah, look at that butter. Yeah, butter. This burner is way too freaking hot, bro. I mean, yeah, like me. What can I say? Oh my god, the amount of heat this thing is giving off. Holy shit. Okay. I feel like this is going really quick, bro. I haven't even been filming for 2 seconds. I guess we'll get to the real test. Oh shit. Oh! Touched it! Oh, you guys can't even see anything. Okay, I'll do it over here. I'm gonna melt the saran wrap. I don't know what I'm doing. Nope, that's gross. Okay. On the pan. Let's fry. I got it. It's on the pan. We're doing good. We're doing great. We're doing really good. Real good. Also, I just really want to use my hands because I got my nails done. But that's not the point of this. The point is... So I'm going to insert a video of me flipping a pancake right here because I'm so proud of myself. I've never done that before. That was a really abrupt cut in my voice. Forget when that happened. Okay, well, while that's cooking, I'm gonna be a real cooking I forgot how hot that is. Guys, I don't know how to tell when this is cooked. Look at that toasty golden bun right there. Look. Hello?
Hi, I'm doing for my video.
Oh, okay.
We're going in again.
Great.
Yeah.
Close the. Oh, do I have to close the garage?
Yeah.
At least put your. Jeez. Oh, nobody saw that, but I felt that. Also, this smells really good. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. That's a lot of butter. Oh, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a. Oh no, maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't. This looks like those guys who cook on YouTube. They do this too. Okay, maybe it wasn't that big of a mistake. There is oil everywhere though, which means my mother's gonna kill me. No. I'm gonna get pissed at me because I got on the floor. So with that said, I'm going to try and clean up this oil around everywhere so my mom's not murdering me. Oh, preliminary. God, I'm trying to set that fucking house on fire, man. Why didn't I think of that? I'm actually so fucking dumb. Look at that, it's mess free. I wanted to show you guys a really big marshmallow that I have, but here's my burger. I'm gonna lower it down to 1. And I'm gonna grab mustard. If there's one thing you should know, I hate ketchup. I think it's really gross. That and I just don't eat sugar, so ketchup's got a lot of fucking sugar. No, actually though, for real, ketchup's just gross. I don't understand why people like ketchup. For the most part, that's nice. Also, the floor is really slippery, which means I should probably mop now that I made a mess of everything. Okay.
So it's not that good. That's really good.
Okay, so somebody told you were gonna go blind in an hour. What is the first thing you would do? Okay, I'm gonna you have unlimited money, unlimited everything. You can literally do whatever you want. You can get there with enough time to do it. What are you doing? Comment down below and tell me what you're gonna do. While I think about mine. What would I do? You know, okay, here's what I would do. I would go and I would have a Backseat Lovers concert, and I would have them play all of my favorite songs, which is all of their songs. So I'm gonna need more than an hour. Okay, I would get them to play my all-time favorite song. Then I would what would I do? Oh, then I would wanna meet Emma Chamberlain face to face. I know these things are oh, that's what you want to do. Yes, I want to meet these people face to face, please. Then I would go. So I'm gonna end this video here just because I have had a really long day. A really long weekend, and I'm gonna have a very long week. Anyways, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me cooking and failing at cooking. And I know it wasn't really that good, but maybe I'll do another one if you guys like this one. Anyways, feel free to like and subscribe and comment down below if you liked the video, and if you have, any answers to my questions. If you guys have any random questions for me, I would love to hear them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and make sure to check out my other videos. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.